Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have 3 work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company the agency works. They're looking for a social content coordinator T. It pays up to $27 an hour. The agency WorX is partnering with a global leader in the entertainment and media space to find a social content coordinator professional. This is a remote and part-time opportunity to work 1 day a week. Responsibilities: performs a wide variety of tasks to assist in shaping, creating, and distributing social content for sports fans across TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Follows company's social standards of practice, including an adherence to news and reporting guidelines. Generates new ideas for building account engagement and growth. Supports colleagues to make social content and copy compelling and platform appropriate material daily. Regularly uses social data to inform content decisions. Recognizes that sports happen on nights and weekends, and those shifts will be regular and required in this position. Remote part-time role 1 day week. Temp will be creating content for college football and should have a strong technical knowledge of the sport as well as knowledge of and appreciation for the college football culture. Job types: temporary, part-time. Pay up to $27 per hour. Schedule: 8-hour shift. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company University of North Texas Health Science Center. They're looking for a seasonal admissions application reader. It pays up to $15 per hour. The mission of the Division of Student and Academic Affairs is to create solutions for a healthier community by fostering student success. There are 12 functional units within the Division of Student and Academic Affairs: Office of Student Development, Career Readiness Center, Center for Academic Performance, Office of Care and Civility, Registrar, Financial Aid, Testing and Evaluation Services, International Services, Admissions and Recruitment, Office of University Assessment and Accreditation, Office of Disability Access and Title IX. Position summary: the Department of Admissions and Recruitment is seeking to hire seasonal admissions application readers to join their team for graduate admission utilizing established criteria and professional judgment. Readers must be able to maintain a high level of confidentiality. The seasonal position is for the period August 1st, 2022 to March 1st, 2023. Readers need to be available a minimum of 15 hours per week. Performs other related duties as assigned. Additional posting details: minimum qualifications: bachelor's degree, ability to read PDF files and utilize EIS, PeopleSoft, ability to work remotely and independently, ability to provide own computer for reading, preferred qualifications: skill in effective written and verbal communications, ability to exercise keen judgment and discretion, ability to maintain essential records, paperwork, and application files in a confidential, thorough manner, ability to quickly adapt to new technology and internalize feedback, ability to read quickly, carefully, and objectively while providing thorough notes, ability to meet admission decision deadlines. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company USA Home Inspectors. They're looking for admin support and receptionist. It pays up to $19 an hour. USA Home Inspectors is a locally based, family-owned residential home inspection company. Our job is to make sure that the home someone is buying is safe and free from major defects. We are looking for one special person to join our team and grow our business. Our business is 100% relationship driven, and we need a friendly individual to represent us with existing clients as well as develop new relationships. Job overview: we are looking for 2 receptionists, support person to join our company. You will also provide support to the sales and marketing and operations leaders by list building and research. The ideal candidate will be organized, a specialist at administrative support, and a team player who can efficiently work with all levels of employees. Schedule: this vital role will answer phone on the weekends from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. Monday or Tuesday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Job responsibilities: answer phone calls in a polite and professional manner. Schedule service appointments and answers questions or direct the caller to the appropriate associate. Provide support to the sales and marketing leadership and operations leadership as needed with various projects and tasks. Deal politely, professionally, and effectively with people. Requirements: must reside in Pacific time zone. Prior inbound appointment setting helpful. This is a 90% to 99% work from home job. Zoom phone experience helpful. Real estate industry experience helpful. Computer proficiency, communication, organizational, and time management skills.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
below under job number 3 so you can apply
right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this channel every single day.
So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified, leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.